The world's a barren and horrible place, isn't it? These kids are the only hope left.
Jeez. We're sophomores now. We're like entirely new people. First edition of the year.
All the news that's fit
Hot
to
off the
print.
press.
There's not much to write about at Tides High. We're a peaceful, uneventful place.
Attention, everyone! Pencils down. Oof, gross. We're gonna need a new plan.
My legs are caught into the bookcase.
I gotta amputate.
Dude, just lift the bookcase.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm a virgin too. Sort of.
Envision yourself as a phoenix flying out of the ashes.
Life was pointless and filled with pain.
Drop dead.
You turds really want to tussle.
We have to move up to the senior floor and then graduate to the roof.
Help me, and I'll invite you to my next party, I swear.
We don't like parties. There's no way to have a meaningful conversation at a party.
Just jump. I'm buff enough to catch you.
Dude, forgive me.
I know it ain't right, but it feels so good to clean your ears with Q-tips.
Pretty freaked up, don't you think?